Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain hybridization involved in PCl5 molecule as well as SF6 molecule also. These two questions from chemical bonding intermediate first year chemistry. These questions are most important for 4 marks in intermediate examinations. So before explaining about hybridization, so first we should recall about types of hybridizations. These are sp, sp2, 3, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d3, and so on. So in this one s orbital, one p orbital, so the count number is 2, and here 3, 1 plus 3, 4, that is a 4, and 5, this is a 6 and 7. So how we can write it, because P has 3 subcells, D has 5 subcells, so like that. So how many s orbital? 1. How many p orbital? Only 1. So here 2 is then 1 plus 2, here 3, 1 plus 3, here D extra 1 plus 3 plus 1, like that. So by seeing the molecule you can easily identify the hybridization. So in PCl5 molecule, the coordination, that is the number is 5. So 5, it comes like sp3d hybridization. Otherwise you can write 5 means only one s orbital is possible, that is s. P orbital 3 possible, so that is the sp3, and 3 plus 1 4 only, so we have 5. So we have to use another d orbital, so that is sp3d hybridization. Okay, so in exam point of view we need to write the proper explanation. So for that you can see this one, easily you can write the explanation. In PCl5 molecule, phosphorus is the central atom and chlorine is the surrounding atom. So one point is over, and the second point, write about electron configuration. In electron configuration we should not know the central atom atomic number. So central atom atomic number also you can remember easily by the molecule formula, that is PCl5. So 5 is then this is a 15. Okay, 15. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So the last 2 orbital we can consider as a valency electron configuration. So this is 2 plus 3 also 5, like that you can remember. Okay, 3d is the excited state orbital, it is in zeros. And here in ground state electron configuration we have 3 single electrons. But we have 5 chlorine atoms in PCl5 molecule. 5 chlorine atoms in PCl5 molecule. So 5 chlorine atoms combined with phosphorus, it has 5 single electrons. So for that the 3s orbital electrons enter into excited state orbital, that is 3d. So it becomes 3s1, 3p3 and 3d1. Okay, 3d1. So it and phosphorus atom, these 5 single electrons combined, it forms sp3d hybridization. It involved in sp3d hybridization. So in sp3d hybridization 5 electrons involved, right? So it forms sp3d hybrid orbitals. sp3d hybrid orbitals. sp3d hybrid orbitals. So just you can write one electron, and here 3 electrons, and we know that in d orbital we have 5 subcells, so here only 1. And we have chlorine, 1 chlorine, 2 and 3, 4, 5 chlorine atoms. Each chlorine contribute 1 electron, so it enter into the subcell, and this one also, and this one. So this one it contribute to this one and this one. This 5 chlorine atoms donate single electrons to the phosphorus. It combines, it forms 5 sigma bonds around the phosphorus atom. 5 sigma bonds around the phosphorus atom. So next we can come to that shape. Shape is TBP. So that is a trigonal. So trigonal bipyramidal. So trigonal bipyramidal. This is the shape. So we can come to the structure. So TBP na, T means T shape. TBP, just remember like a T shape. So phosphorus you take and chlorine, so another chlorine and another chlorine. This is a T shape. So pyramid means you just add two chlorine in equatorial bonds like this one. This is the pyramid. So in this one 120 bond angle and 90-degree bond angle, both are there. So this is the explanation in proper way for examination. Just by looking the PCl5 molecule, based on 5 we can write simple 5 points. The first point in PCl5 molecule, P is the central atom, chlorine is the surrounding atom. First point over. So after electron configuration we come to know that the phosphorus atomic number. So 5 is there, 15. Just fill the electron, 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s2 3p3. Okay, and write down the electron configuration. After that we have 3 single electrons, we have 5 chlorine atoms. So for that we need 5 single electrons, so that in then phosphorus the electrons enter into higher energy state, that is a 3s orbital electron. 3s orbital electron enter into 3d. So we have 5 single electrons. These 5 single electron orbital combined, it involved in sp3d hybridization. So sp3d hybridization, forms 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. Each orbit has one single electron. After that chlorine donate single electron to that particular orbitals. It combine and it forms 5 sigma bonds. Okay, 5 sigma bonds. The shape is TBP and trigonal bipyramidal, 120 90 degree. The angles in PCl5 molecule. So this is the simple way to write the answer.